Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. I'm here today guys making some Jamaican fried cabbage. Hope you enjoy this video. Here I have two kind of cabbage, some green cabbage and some purple cabbage. Just in this container here. Then I have some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some yellow bell pepper. And here are some chopped carrot with about 5 plummy tomato and some onion and some scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna put this all in this container with my cabbage. And here are some oregano. When I'm cooking, I always try to use, the more healthier spice or herb or seasoning in my cooking. I'm gonna put, this is some basil, I didn't show you, some basil here, and I'm gonna put some Larry seasoning, and I'm not gonna put any salt in my cabbage because when I'm using this season, I don't have no salt to it, okay, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna combine all of this together. Look at this beautiful color, you see that? Yeah. And I washed off my cabbage a while ago with some vinegar water and some salt water, in some warm water. Yeah. Trying to cut off all the, the fertilizer that them use and grow them little vegetable here. So I'm gonna try to get rid of majority of it by wash off my vegetable in some salt, warm vinegar, and some lemon water. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put it on now. I'm gonna get my dish pot on. Yes guys, this is my pot on the stove. I just use this pot and fry some plantain, so I'm just gonna use the same pot. I just use some regular corn oil, and this is the amount of oil in my pot. See that? Just this. I don't want a lot of oil in there. Yeah, that's gonna put some thyme. That's gonna drop some thyme in the pot. Then I'm gonna put in my cabbage. Just gonna cover this. I'm gonna add some vegetable seasoning. Not wholly, just a little bit. I'm not gonna add any water. Okay? Just gonna lock it off now. So this cabbage steam for 5 minutes. Okay? See there? Carrot. Carrot cook. I'll try to cut the carrot. See that? Yeah. I'm gonna lock off the stove now. So I'm gonna show you the after look, okay? Oh.
Can you tell me?
Yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican stir-fried cabbage, Jamaican steamed cabbage. Guys, it's really good. You can try it. It's really good. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description box. Guys, thank you for coming and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you don't subscribe as yet. Comment and share, and just thumbs it up if you like this video, and tell me all about this recipe. Okay guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Bye.